Bonjour, les étudiants of class 9. Hope you're doing good. So welcome to the session. So today's class will be completing the exercises of lesson 4, the last 3 exercises which are pending. So the 4th exercise and the last 2, okay, 11 and 12. Okay, normally those are simple exercises. So we'll get into the slides. And here. So, compléter avec un article partitif ou une expression de la quantité. So this is actually the 4th exercise of lesson 4. So the 4th exercise we omitted in between, right? Okay. So now, avec un article partitif, okay, avec un article partitif. So article partitif, I don't know if you remember. So the definite articles are le, la, elle apostrophe and les. So the indefinite articles are un, win, des. Okay, so adjective, possessive, we have seen mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, son, sa, ses, and so on. Okay, so now it's actually article partitif. So article partitif, it's du, de la, de l'apostrophe, des. Okay, so du, de la, de l'apostrophe, and des. So these means some. Okay, du, de la, de l'apostrophe, des. All these means some. Okay, so depends on masculine, feminine, singular, plural, vowel, consonant, right? And also we had adjective demonstrative adjectives, se, set, say, all those things. So all these things which are placed before the noun, we call it as les déterminants. Okay, the determinants we call as. So each and every determinant will be used in a specific place. Okay, so according to the situation that you're using. So here, for example, for normally things that can't be counted, okay, for things that can't be counted, okay, uncountable, those things will be using some in English. Okay, so if you want to say I want some coffee, okay, you won't be saying I want a coffee. Okay, I want a coffee, maybe a cup of coffee you can say, okay, but not a coffee, okay, because you can't count, right? So same way in French we'll be using the same thing, but actually we got to check if it's masculine or feminine, singular or plural, vowel or consonant. That's it, right? So the first exercise, fourth exercise, first sentence: elle a soif, donc elle veut dash jus d'orange. So elle a soif. So elle a soif, which means she is thirsty. Okay, so she is thirsty. So, donc, which means so. Elle veut dash jus d'orange. So she wants some oranges. Okay, we got to use some, but in French we got for some. Okay, that is like du, de la, de l'apostrophe, and des. So for jus d'orange, which one you'll be using? Okay, you got to check if it's like plural or singular first. It's not plural. Okay, jus means juice. It's not juices. Okay, it's juice. So it's singular. So the possible ways are du, de la, de l'apostrophe now. Okay, it starts with a vowel or consonant. Okay, it starts with the letter J, which is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So D, E, L apostrophe, not possible. So now you got to check if it's masculine or feminine. So jus, it's a masculine noun. Okay, jus, it's a masculine noun. So D, E, L, A, it's not possible. So we'll be using du. Okay, elle a soif, donc elle veut du jus d'orange, du, for the first one. The second one, pour le déjeuner, for the lunch, nous prenons dash salade. Nous prenons dash salade, which means for the lunch. We take some salad, okay, dash poisson, some fish, and dash viande, and some meat. Okay, viande, which means meat. So now you got to say some salad, some fish, and some meat. So you can check the words. Okay, salad, it doesn't end with S, it's not plural. Poisson, it doesn't end with S. Okay, viande non plus. Okay, so they all are singular, and none of these words they start with a vowel. Okay, all those starts with a consonant, S, P, and V. Okay, so D, L apostrophe, not possible also. Okay, so now you got to see if it's they are masculine or feminine. Salad, the word salad, it's feminine. It ends with E, you can see. Okay, so it's feminine. So pour le déjeuner, nous prenons de la salade. Okay, nous prenons de la salade. Dash poisson. Poisson, it's masculine or feminine? It's masculine. Okay, du poisson. Okay, du poisson. Some fish. Okay, et dash viande. Viande, again it's a feminine noun. Okay, it ends with E, so we'll be using de la. Okay, pour le déjeuner, nous prenons de la salade, du poisson et de la viande. And the third one, le matin, the morning. Je prends dash café et dash dosa. So dosa, it's a proper noun. Okay, so it's actually only here we know the word dosa. Maybe most of the French people, they won't be even knowing the word dosa. Okay, so dash café. So café, it's singular, starting with a consonant. So and it's a masculine noun. So we'll be using du. Je prends du café. I take some coffee. A dash dosa. So dosa, it's actually maybe it's singular. Okay, so we can say du dosa. Okay, du dosa or de dosa. Okay, des. Okay, some dosas. If it ends with s, you can use des. Okay, if it doesn't end with s, you can use du. Okay, or even de. Le matin, je prends du café et du dosa or des dosa. Okay. So the last before one. Pour le dîner, il ne prend que. Okay, pour le dîner, for the dinner, he takes only. Okay, we already saw this in the previous exercise. Il ne prend que, he takes only fruits et dash lait. Fruit, it's fruits. Okay, and lait, which means milk. So lait, you can see it's singular. Okay, it doesn't end with s, and it's masculine, and it starts with a consonant. We'll be using du lait. Okay, du. And what about fruit? Fruit ends with s, so it's plural. So we'll be using des. Il ne prend que des fruits et du lait. Okay, he takes only fruits and some milk. Okay, he takes only some fruits and some milk. That's it. So the last one, après le déjeuner. Après le déjeuner, after the breakfast, nous prenons toujours dash thé. We always take some tea. So thé and café both are masculine nouns. Okay, so thé and café both ends with e, but they are masculine. Okay, so toujours du thé. Okay, nous prenons toujours du thé. So you can see the answers here. Okay, just for the third ones, I've just used de dosa. Okay, but even if you write du, it's fine. Elle a soif, donc elle veut du jus d'orange. Pour le déjeuner, nous prenons de la salade, du poisson et de la viande. Le matin, je prends du café et des dosa. Pour le dîner, il ne prend que des fruits et du lait. Avec le petit déjeuner, nous prenons toujours du thé. Oui. Hope it's fine. We'll move to the next exercise now. So here, the 11th exercise, it's a simple exercise. Okay, mettez les phrases au négatif. Okay, you got to put the sentences in negative. So if you got to put it in negative, you know what to do. You use ne pas, right? Okay, ce sont des stylos. These are some pens. Ce ne sont pas des stylos. Okay, they doesn't change to the when you're using it with the verb être. Okay, hope you remember. Ce ne sont pas des stylos. These are not some pens. Il travaille dans une banque. Il ne travaille pas dans une banque. Okay, he works in a bank. He doesn't work in a bank. He is not working in a bank. Il ne travaille pas dans une banque. C'est un médecin. So again, we are using the verb être. So we don't change un to the. Ce n'est pas un médecin. Okay, he is not a doctor. C'est un médecin, he is a doctor. Ce n'est pas un médecin, he is not a doctor. Kishan comprend bien le français. So Kishan understands French very well. So Kishan ne comprend pas bien le français. Okay, Kishan doesn't understand well the French. Sanju veut habiter en France. Sanju ne veut pas habiter en France. Sanju wants to live in France. Sanju doesn't want to live in France. Oui. Voilà. So now we'll see the answers here. Mettez les phrases au négatif. Ce ne sont pas des stylos. Il ne travaille pas dans une banque. Ce n'est pas un médecin. Kishan ne comprend pas bien le français. Sanju ne veut pas habiter en France. So we'll move to the last exercise now. It's même exercice. They have written même exercice, which means nothing, which means the same exercise. Okay, same exercise. Normally you should be doing the same as the 11th exercise. Okay, we got to change it to negation. Okay, chaque matin ma sœur prend de la salade. So every morning my sister takes some salad. So you got to change, like every morning my sister doesn't take any salad. Okay, so chaque matin ma sœur ne prend pas de salade. Okay, de la changes to de. Okay, same way like un ou une de. So even du, de la, de, l'apostrophe and de changes to de in negation. Chaque matin ma sœur ne prend pas de salade. Nous avons du dessert pour le dîner. We have some dessert for the dinner. So again we got du will be changed to the. Nous n'avons pas de dessert pour le dîner. We don't have any dessert for the dinner. Mon enfant prend des chocolats. My child takes some chocolates. My child doesn't take any chocolates. Mon enfant ne prend pas de chocolat. Even they changes to the. The last before one. Vous voulez du thé? You want some tea. Vous ne voulez pas de thé. Okay, you don't want any tea. Oui. So tu prends du pain au petit déjeuner. You take some bread for the breakfast. Tu ne prends pas de pain au petit déjeuner. Okay, tu ne prends pas de pain au petit déjeuner. Voilà, so here. So you can see in all the sentences the du, de la, de l'apostrophe de changes to the. Okay, chaque matin ma sœur ne prend pas de salade. Nous n'avons pas de dessert pour le dîner. Mon enfant ne prend pas de chocolat. Vous ne voulez pas de thé. Tu ne prends pas de pain au petit déjeuner. Oui, c'est bon? Okay, so fine guys, we'll meet in teams. Okay, so or maybe the next week we'll be meeting in school. Right, take care. See you. Bye bye.